It's my first day back on the job at cough cough Ford and Slayer. I think I haven't made a mistake. I was going to say I think I made a mistake, but I haven't made a mistake. What the crack is really is I've worked out my mileage, the cost of my mileage before I said yes, and I'm doing like what, 54 miles now. And surprisingly, it doesn't take me more than an extra 10 minutes to go 52 miles than it does to drive into Norwich to do like 12 miles. I know it sounds a bit ridiculous, but the road's pretty straight, so I'm okay. The issue here now is that I've calculated my costs. I'm doing like what, 16,000 miles, 9 pence a mile on the vehicle, and we're looking at yeah, quite a big bill for fuel. However, that will be covered. Of course, I've got to take in consideration wear and tear, tyres and all that, plus oil changes. That does come out to be quite expensive at the end of the day for driving or commuting to work. But I'm going to do it because, well, because I'm leveraging what I'm doing. So at the end of the day, I'm marginally saving on one thing. Yeah. So I'm not actually moving away from where I'm at the moment because the boy's happy at school. So the next plan of attack is, and I'm going to ask you about this, is how do you think I can save money on driving? Okay, so we're looking at, let's say, 300 miles a week minimum to work and back. Yeah. This thing is running actually pretty well. The fuel economy, it works out at the moment 9 pence per mile. Yeah, 9 pence per mile on the £1.27.7 pence per litre. Yeah, but I'm looking at ways that I could possibly do it as cheap as possible. Stealing diesel is not an option, even though it is a temptation in my trade, because those big fuel tanks, you know, plenty of diesel, but that's just dishonest and very naughty, isn't it? So I know some of you guys are probably trying your best to get the most economy out of your vehicle, and I've got to do the same thing now. I'm starting to research it, but if you've got any suggestions at all, let me know. And what I'll do is I'll try and do it with this vehicle. You've got to remember this is a diesel vehicle, 1.4 Citroen C3. Okay, I did think about doing gas over diesel. That was an option, but it's costly to actually set up first of all. So at the end of the day, if I keep the vehicle for a year, it won't be economical unless I get a matching vehicle the next year, which, to be honest with you, these are not bad cars. They are. They do what they say on the tin, basically. So anyway, comments in the section below, and we'll see how we get on. Yeah, all right, see you later. Thanks.